Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0xc1900223 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet connection speed. Search for fast.com in the Windows search bar. In the search bar on your browser and check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab, scroll down in the right pane, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and then click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Okay. The last solution will be to reset Windows Update components. So we have a list here. I have shared it in the description section of the video, list of commands. Copy these commands. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter. So it will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.